everyone, it's time for Abbie Wabbit.
What are we doing today, Abby?
We're gonna do a science video.
We're gonna do a science video. Abby loves doing science videos. Okay, so for this science experiment, the book calls it Just a Pinch of Salt. So let's see what the Crayola chemistry kit tells us about this experiment. Oil just loves to be by itself. It does not like being around water. What else does oil hate to be with? Let's see if it likes to play with salt, and how about a fizzy tab? So we're gonna try mixing salt with water and see what happens. We're gonna mix salt with oil and see if it's the same. And then we're gonna mix a fizzy tab with water and a fizzy tab with oil, and we're gonna see how they react to each other. Now, who do you think is cooler, water or oil? You think water likes to hang out with everybody?
Yep.
Yeah, and you think oil does not like to hang out with anybody?
Yep. And besides, if you mix salt with water, it'll just make salty water.
Like the ocean? So right now in front of Abby, we have a cup of water, a bowl of salt, it's 1 teaspoon of salt. We have a cup of oil and another bowl with a teaspoon of salt. So the first part of this experiment is gonna be salt, and the second part is gonna be fizzy tabs. We also have some chopsticks for stirring, and so everything is very similar, so let's see if the results will be similar.
Yeah.
First, Abby is going to pour the salt into the water, and we're gonna see how it reacts. And then you're gonna take the chopstick, mix it around. So what is it doing?
It's sinking down to the bottom.
So the salt sunk down to the bottom. It kind of turned the color of the water a little cloudy. And now we're gonna mix salt with the oil. So it looks like all the salt in the oil went down to the bottom and did not mix at all with the oil. It's the water, it is also in the bottom of the cup. You can tell that the water looks different, so it has mixed a little bit with the water. Do you think that the salt worked better with the water? Because oil is not friends with anybody?
Yep, and it just likes being by itself.
So we are going to put some fizzy powder into the water and the oil. Our tab's kind of disintegrated. I guess it's been a while since we've used it. All right, let's see how this works. Okay, Abby, so what happened to the fizzy tabs? Looks like the fizzy powder mixed well with the water, and it turned the water red and fizzy.
Wow.
And the oil didn't mix at all with it. The fizzy powder kind of sunk to the bottom, and the oil still looks like oil. Oil does not mix well with salt, water, or fizzy tabs.
That's great. Thanks for watching. Bye.